Hello, hi guys. This is Anilkumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll demonstrate how you can update your audio, video, and navigation system in your Hyundai Elite i20. And this is going to be my first video, and I hope you will enjoy this. So before starting the activity, let's go to our AVN and find out what is our version and what is the system ID and all those details. So for that, just start your engine or just start your vehicle and agree that version message. Then go to maps, menu. So there you will find settings and go to the reset info here. So inside reset info, version info will be there. So here you can see both information like map data version and the application version and device ID. Just note down the device ID here. So let's go to the Hyundai website here. So you can find out this website by entering to Google. So that is going to be easiest way for you guys to find out. So just enter Hyundai map update India. Now I can see this Hyundai MN Soft website here. So let's go to map here. This is officially by Map My India for Hyundai, and in this you need to go to this your region. So for us it will be India Hyundai. So let me open this site here, and here you can log in or you can register. So if you already if you already registered, you can go to login and proceed with the steps. And if you didn't register and this is for your first time, let's go to registration, and in this page you need to go to user instead of dealer. So go to user and enter your basic information. Like here I am putting anil.vellat@gmail.com. This is my mail ID, and if you have any questions you can reach out to me here. And I'll put some of my passwords here. You can have your own password. Put your password here, confirm the password, and you go to the vehicle information here. So before that, just agree their privacy policy. Now here you need to go to the model. Obviously it is i20, and here for me it was 2016. So you can see i20 active here. We don't have Elite. Maybe they introduced this for only for active, and later they decided to go for Elite also. So VIN number and device ID you can find in your machine. I'm from an IT background, so I used to use this machine always. So here I am mentioning to my car. So go to VIN number, and VIN number either you can find in our RC or just go to your vehicle, open your left side door, means co-driver door, and there you can see a black color sticker. Just get the number from there. So enter your VIN number, enter your device ID. So now in the beginning of the video I already shown you how you can get the system information from the AVN. So you can refer that again. So once you get all those informations, just update here and click on confirm. So confirmation here will ask for the VIN number field and is required. So it will definitely ask for the VIN number. So unless you enter these two informations, you cannot get this registration or the confirmation. So once you confirm, you go to submit, and you will get into. Okay, so I have my email ID mentioned, passwords, and confirm password. You have to enter your password again. Then go to I agree the privacy policy. What they are asking to agree you to agree the privacy policy, just put your tick mark there. Go to the vehicle information, and here you have to put the VIN number and your device ID. And device ID you will get from your AVN. And then go to your picture, car picture. Just click on that. So you will see this blue round highlighted here. Then go to confirm button. So your confirmation. Okay, so you need the date of purchase field is also required. So let me go to there and put my date here. So I purchased this car on 2016. December 30th. So just enter that too and go to confirm. So for me it is showing as already registered device ID. You should get another pop-up saying your card confirmation is confirmed. So just go to the submit button and click once again that. So the password doesn't match, is which it will come because I need to put the password here, and let's try for submit. So you may see this enter correct ID because I have left this screen for a long time without any activity. So just go back, refresh your screen. Just go back and press and enter. The screen will get refreshed. Enter your informations. So I have already entered this password before, so that's why I am getting my when I am going to the password window, I am getting this mail ID, and when I am selecting this mail ID, it will automatically fill for me. So these are the features of Chrome. So for you, since you are doing for the first time, just enter your password in both fields manually. Go to agree. My WIN number is already there, so select the WIN number, select the device ID, your vehicle and year, purchase date, number 16, 30th, select your car, then click on confirm. So already registered device ID, that is fine. So for me it will come like that only. For you it should show as your car information is confirmed. Now go to submit button and click on that. Please enter the correct ID. Okay, maybe let's go to submit button and click on that. Here also it will ask for a please enter the correct ID. Since my device ID is already registered, it will give this message. For you guys, it will take you to the next screen, and where the system will the portal will update you that your registration is initiated, and portal will send a mail to your registered mail ID for your verification. So let me go to my mail here. For me it was Gmail. Go to your Gmail, and this Gmail is just considering this Map My India mails as a spam. So you need to go to your spam folder. It will come under more, spam. Here you can easily search for MapCare. So this is the first mail I received from Map My India, and it says you need to activate your account by clicking on complete sign up. So just click on complete sign up, and it will take you to the same screen. And here it says invalid token because I already completed these activities, and for you guys it will give you the registration is completed message, or it will take you to the Map My India website. So guys, let me log into the website. So I'll go to India Hyundai again, and then go to map update. So these are the options under the map updates. So you need to go to purchase update here, so you can buy. So you click on any of this link and it will ask you for the password. So here you can see I have already purchased 2 updates, which is for one is for the NAND type and another one the SD card. So you can see the cost is 0 here. So I just came here to show you that there will be no charges for this purchase. Then you can go to map update and later on to purchase update. So just click on purchase update, and this will show you the options like which the vehicles available here. Just select i20 and SD card type 2016 SD card type. I am selecting 2016 because my car is 2016 model. If yours is 2017, just go to that. So here you can clearly see it says you need to pay 2500 rupees. So this 2500 you no need to pay, since your vehicle will be in warranty. If your vehicle is not in warranty or outside warranty, then you have to purchase this, paying this amount. So click on online download and purchase. Now you will see your registered vehicle in the top, and there is still a 2500 here. So click on the vehicle. Once you click on the vehicle, click on OK. So when you click OK, there will be a coupon automatically applied and this 2500 will become 00. So for me it is not there because it says I already purchased and there is no more update available for me. So once you place the order, it will show you, it will show you a message like thanks for purchasing, and your maps will be available in the download area. So let's see, or let's go to the download area now. See, go to the manage update and you will see the update details here. So I'm just checking because last time I had some issues here, so it should not be an issue for you guys. So first of all, you need to do, or you need to download the activation code. So for me, I have registered for both. I placed an order for both USB type and both SD card type because in the some of the website I saw the files are not uploaded into USB type. Under a USB type, it all are in under SD card type only. So we will do the same in here, and you have the activation code here. All the information you can see. So go to the download activation code. This activation code is not enough. You need to download the activation code file. So here you will get some HMNS that extension file. Just save the file where you can easily find it out. So for me it will go to the download folder. So I have already downloaded it and copied into activation AVN data act code. So this file is already available. Now let's go and see where we can download the files. Going back to the website. So you need to go to download map. So let me take you once again there. Go to map update and download map. And you will see many updates here. So this is for all Hyundai models. Go to the vehicle, select i20 and select your model for year. So 2016, and you will see two files here. One for NAND type, that is USB, and one for SD card type. So let me take you inside the USB type. Boom. You have 3 plus 1, 4 files. And if you go to SD card type, you will see 5 files. 1 IBIP Z1, 2, 3, 4 and zip. So I'm not sure about the difference. All I know is this is a 4.5 GB file and the other one is almost 3.5 GB file. So here, just let me go back 2016. So I'll go here, SD card type, and I will download one by one. So you can just go and click on each file. It will ask you to download. Just click save file and the download will start here. So here I am using Windows 10 and I am using Firefox latest version. So maybe there is some difference in this screens. If you go with the Chrome or you are going with the Internet Explorer, so this download may have some changes. Only the window will change. So I am just cancelling it because I already downloaded. So just download all 5 files one by one, and just note this is 4.5 GB of data, and you may need a good internet and with a good internet speed, and you should be having any good storage also. So don't download it directly to the USB drive. Just download this to your local hard disk or local drive and keep the files. So let me go to the download files here. Hi, welcome back. So I have completed the downloads and I just went to, just let me guide you there. So in my desktop I just created one folder which is AVN data, and inside I have the add code file and I have 5 zip files. So you can see this AVN Win MTX is just 100 MB and it's clearly showing WinRAR zip archive. So WinRAR is an application which used to zip or compress your files, and this is four different, means one single file or some data they have compressed into WinZip and made four parts. So what the reason behind why there is a four parts is for easiness of download. So you can just go download one by one into your computer, and later you can extract into a single folder or single file. So I'll show you how you can download this WinZip or WinRAR application. So let me go to this Google again. Go to Google, just check for WinRAR. I already have this application because I'm using this for a long time, and it's a very famous compression tool. So for those who is not familiar with this one, you can just go to win-rar.com download.html and just go to this website. You can do this at any point of time. Even if you are downloading the other files, you can just go to this portal and download. So here just check your version will be English and platform will be Windows. So I hope everyone will be using Windows. And there is two architecture type, that is 32-bit and 64-bit. So this is depending on your operating system. So if you are not sure you have 64-bit operating system, just go by 32-bit. This 32-bit will be compatible for both 32-bit and 64-bit. So here I'll click on this language and it will go to buy WinRAR. Just skip that and go to continue download WinRAR. So it will download. Don't buy, because we are going to use it for one time, and they have a trial version kind of thing which is fully functional. Just download these files and go to the download folder. I'll just copy this here to the desktop and double click on that. It will come up with this window for Windows 10, and for older versions it may be different, but the commands, everything will be same. Just click on install and it will take some seconds to complete the installation. Okay, don't make any changes here, just leave it as it is and click on OK. Done. So you install 32-bit version on 64-bit Windows, you can get better performance. All this storage will be there. So for this video we are not bothering about all these versions and all. Just go to close this window and go to AVN data, which we have already created and copied. So earlier you might have seen this file is also not recognized as WinRAR zip file. It may be recognized as an unknown. So as soon as you install this WinRAR utility, it will come like this. Now just right click on this button and extract to AVN bin mtx. So this is the file name, folder name what Hyundai has given. So just click on this and it will start extracting. So this is gonna take around 5 minutes. So till that I will just pause the video. Okay, welcome back guys. So the file extraction is completed. Now you can see a single folder. So this single folder is made up of from all these five files. Let's go inside and see what is there. One more folder. Okay, so 3 folders. One is bin, which is empty. Let it be. System. Some launcher application is there, which will be used for flashing your AVN. Then update files. So here in update files you can see a lot of files here. This last program guide and all is not required, so don't delete anything, let it be like that. So this 4.7 GB which is showing is map. Then other one is the operating OS files. So the your AVN OS operating system, and one more file is there. So let's go back, and now it's time to plug your pen drive. So let me go to this PC here open this. So right now I have two drives, one is internal, one is external, or let it be that. I am going to plug my pen drive. It should show up in seconds. Okay, map my India. So this is the pen drive which I use to flash my AVN. So so for you guys it is going to be a new drive, so it will be like some name like external pen drive or something, or can be anything like the brand name Sony some. So just right click on the pen drive and go to properties, go to format. So don't keep any other files on this pen drive. So whatever files you have, just take a backup and keep this drive dedicated for this activity. So what will happen, we are going to format this drive, and any data which is already there in this pen drive will be formatted and you may not be able to get it back. So here for me this is an 8 GB pen drive, then it will come automatically and the existing file system will be here. So mostly you will see NTFS or FAT32, but in our case we need to go to exFAT because this is the drive format which our AVM is recognizing. So go to exFAT and you have to make sure this is exFAT, otherwise you may not be able to update your AVN, or it will show like it's an empty drive or no data drive. 32 kilobytes, this is default. Don't do anything on this. And volume label you can give whatever you like. So I am giving here map my India. And if this quick format is not selected, just select that quick format and start formatting. Warning will be the accept. Okay, and close this window. So this is going to take, for an 8 GB drive, this is going to take some 5 to 10 seconds, and depends on your drive size, it may go to 1 minute or 2 minutes. So that's why I said quick format should be selected, otherwise this will take a long time. And close this. Now I am opening this drive one side and I'll open the folder which we created in the other side. So we have this downloaded files here. Go to this folder and go inside. So make sure to select only this folder. Don't select any of these root folders, like don't copy this and paste there. Instead of that, go inside and till you see this bin system and update files, just open the folders inside and go and copy this bin system and update files. Copy this, paste in your map my India drive. So again this is gonna take around 5 to 10 minutes because this is as you can see this is 4.70 GB of data, and depending upon your drive type it's gonna take 10 to 15 minutes, and some drives it will complete in 5 minutes also. So just wait, give me some break. I'll come back as soon as the copying is completed. Hi guys, welcome back to the video. So now I have just 3 folders here: bin, system and update files copied into my pen drive. Now you need to go to bin folder in the pen drive and also open the activation code folder here. So now you can see inside bin there is nothing. Just copy this activation file here and paste it in the bin folder in pen drive. So this is going to be our last step in the system, because we are fully ready to flash our AVN. We can just move to your car. So just before ejecting, so just right click on the pen drive and go to eject. Wait for a few seconds and your drive will be disappeared from my computer. Unplug your drive. So before you enter the car, once you enter the car, make sure it is switched off. That means the engine shut down. Then remove the pen drive whatever pen drive you already plugged into the USB port, just unplug the drive and insert the map or the update software drive into the USB. Then, so this is going to take around half an hour. So the entire system and map update is going to take around half an hour. So either you start the engine and keep the vehicle like that, or you just switch it on. Don't switch on the engine, just switch on the car initial step and leave it as it is. So 30 minutes you need to keep the car on. So the thing is, in between, if you switch off or you try to start the engine or something, then the map update will get interrupted. So I cannot guarantee what will happen next because I didn't try that. So maybe the flashing process may get interrupted and next time it may not start properly. So make sure once you plug the drive, switch on the car but not the engine and leave it as it is till the upgrade is completed. In between, don't press the engine start switch for anything. So the power supply to the AVN is not get disturbed or the AVN is not getting restarted or something like that. So when you press the switch again, as you know, when the engine gets started and the power into the accessories will go for a few seconds and the device, everything will get restarted. So this is you have to take extreme caution not to disturb the power to the AVN. So now I'll go to the car. So guys, as this is for my first time attempt, so I just plugged the pen drive to the port, USB port, and just switch on the car, and it immediately started software upgrade. So now you can see it is verifying the update file. So what I see is, before starting any installation, the system is checking for the integrity of each update files, like the map, software upgrade, operating systems, everything it will check, then only the patching will start. So now you can see it is verifying again. It shows the software upgrade or SW upgrade. I hope it is a software upgrade, and it takes few minutes. Like for the entire activity, for me it took around 30 minutes, up to 30 minutes. Okay, once the verification is completed, it has installed something and it's again verifying the update files. In between it's installing that updates also. Now DLL file is running, so you can see it's patching DLL files. And each time for each update it's testing the integrity. So one thing we can make sure, if you have downloaded a wrong file, okay, so now it's doing the OS upgrade. So if you download a wrong file, it will not interrupt your system, or it may not be accepted by the AVN. It will just reject it. Now it's updating the OS files. So actually we are doing a flashing of entire system or the firmware. So AVN will get a fully new operating system. So in the visuals there is not much changes, but yeah, you can see some of this graphics is better, and it is added few more options, like few more additions. Again, software upgrade is in progress. Okay, now this is almost the last step, because now it is updating the navigation. So 4.5, nearly 4.5 GB of map will be added into or updated into our system. So navigation update will take more time. So initially operating system and software patching will be completed in 5 to 10 minutes, and the rest 10 to 20 minutes will take for map update. And you can see the version of this file is 17.12.12. So maybe it is on 2017 December 12. This is the latest update currently available in Hyundai or Map My India site. From Hyundai service center only they said this is Map My India, this system is using Map My India, but here I can see the Navi. I am not sure whether it is not 100% sure whether it is Map My India or any third part or any other vendor who is providing the maps. So I hope it's Map My India, might be. So navigation update is in progress. It's almost more than 90% is completed. So if you remember, we have seen one more file called MICOM with the MICOM extension. So after patching the map files, we also see that MICOM update. So and just let's wait for that. Meanwhile, as a caution, I will tell you, if you are not confident on doing this activity, or if you are not want to do it by yourself, you can wait for some time. What my service advisor told me that they haven't received these updates, or they haven't received these updates from Hyundai yet, so they are waiting for it. So you can wait for some more time and they will get you this update. But the thing is, they may not give you this latest update which supports 2018, not 2018, actually Android and mirror link for your old models. So there's a possibility they will provide this update from the service center only for those models which is released after 2017 March, which already has this mirror link and Android Auto. So you have to insist them to install this. So Navi upgrade is coming to an end. Says upgrade complete. I didn't face any issues on this update. It was going smooth. All you need to make sure not to interrupt the power to the AVN. So just keep your car on switch on mode. So this MICOM upgrade, I think it may be a satellite related something, because this MICOM, to my understanding, it's a GPS related satellite. I'm not sure, not 100% sure, but I doubt. So this activity takes around 3-4 minutes, or maybe less than that. And even though the mirror link is enabled in this system, you need a mirror link supporting phone as well. So Android Auto is supported in almost all phones, but if you want to connect your phone for mirror link, you have to check whether your phone is compatible with mirror link, or otherwise you have to get a new phone with mirror link. So unfortunately, none of my phones are supporting mirror link, so I am unable to check that. So I have just removed the pen drive. Even if you didn't remove the pen drive, it will not start again. Means the installation will not start again. So AVN is come back live, and it takes a little more time. This is what I noticed. It takes few more seconds to boot up. So I am putting my music pen drive back. now you go to settings, and in settings you can see the connectivity, the icons all got changed. And in connectivity, if you go to connectivity and open, you will see additional option for Android Auto enabled, Mirror Link enabled, and iOS Apple CarPlay. So just select your Android Auto. If you select Mirror Link, Android Auto will get disabled, but it will also work. So either you can go with Android Auto only if you are not using Mirror Link. So guys, we have completed the flashing process, and now you will find an updated map, and in the map there are almost a lot of changes, like a graphical interface change, and even if you go to the settings tab, the icons all got changed. In maps, the icons, everything is better, and probably you are having the version 8 earlier or 9. Now it is got updated to version 10 with a lot of changes. And if you see the change log in the same website, so you can go to here and you will find the version changes somewhere in update grid or something, so that you can just explore the website, where you will find all this information, like what are the changes, how many hotels, how many petrol pumps or fuel stations, and how many toll booths. Everything is updated on here. So let me just pause the screen and come back so you can see those information. Just give me a second. So guys, if you go to map update and purchase update, you will see the vehicle information here. Just go to i20 and it will show you the updates available. And here if you select 2016 i20, here is the regular update changes. So these are the changes, like this many restaurants, automotive, travel, tourism, commercial centers, recreation, all this information is added from 2017. So I doubt I had a 2016 version which is 8 dot, starting with 8 dot, and in 2018 these are the changes you can see. So and going down, main features are as is to be. This was the earlier, like 7 hours 21 minute was for this 313 kilometers, but now there are a lot of things changed, like road conditions, traffic conditions, everything got changed. So the same distance we can cover in 6 hours 26 minutes. Since this our AVN is not connected with internet, we cannot get a real-time traffic. So for that you have to depend on Google Maps only. But still they have tried to update the travel distance or travel time using this one, and POE details, so how many petrol pumps, all those things, and some font changes. Everything is got changed. And here is the difference, one more difference, like this is again a graphical interface difference. Then directions has a little bit, this kind of directions is taken out, and this this is also updated. So these are the main changes. You can have navigation details here. Site manual is global map where site manual is available, so you can go and check this information in the website. So guys, now as we have completed this flashing, we need to install Android Auto. Android Auto. So for that you can go to Play Store in your phone. So I'll just search for Play Store here in my laptop. I just want to show you the application details. So it is Play Store. It will take you to, I'm sorry, this is Google, this Yahoo it is coming. So let's go to Google, then you will get it easily. Click on Play Store. So play, and you can just search for Android Auto. So this is the app you have to install. So once you install this app and connect the phone with the AVN using your Bluetooth, and immediately this application will automatically start as soon as you enter in the car and switch on the, or maybe even you don't need to switch on the car. Even before that, I saw today the Android Auto is started. I just went to my car and unlocked, and I can see in my phone Android Auto is already popped up. So once the Android Auto is opened, you can see the interface is getting changed and to a much more easily accessible. Like there will be only music and maps and phone available. So if you want to use other apps, you have to close this Android Auto, or you have to minimize it and go and use this. So guys, this is the last section of our demonstration or introduction. So once you have done with this, you will be able to use Android Auto, and you will be able to use Mirror Link. So one thing you have to note is Mirror Link is not available for many of the phones. Not many of the phones. Most of the phones are not compatible with Mirror Link. So you need to verify. You need to check your phone for Mirror Link capability, or maybe if you have an Apple and you are using an iPhone and you are using Apple CarPlay, that will definitely work for you. But in Android phones, only higher end phones like Samsung HTC Extra is working with Mirror Link applications. So what you need to do for Mirror Link is just enable the Mirror Link from system AVN settings. Once you enable, just plug your phone into the USB using your USB cable, and AVN will try to activate the Mirror Link in your phone, and if it is available, you can see some of the applications is available on your screen, on your AVN screen, and most of the applications won't be there because most of those applications are not compatible with Mirror Link. There are few like maps, phone, media, like music are only available for this purpose. So guys, this will be this is the end of my video. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and you will definitely try in your i20 Elite AVN the steps. And as usual, again a caution or a warning, like I don't take the responsibility. If you are interested, or if you feel like you can do this, go ahead and download the maps and try a flashing. Otherwise, just wait for few more days. Mostly your service advisor or Hyundai will send you the information about the map update, and you can go to the service center and do it. So thanks for watching my video, and just don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can expect more videos, and also I will upload the Android Auto review soon with my i20. Thank you.